Here's how to withdraw money from Sweetcoin. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to open your Sweetcoin account. Once you are logged into your Sweetcoin account, now here you have to click on the balance option. At the top, once you click on it, now you will be able to see your earnings on Sweetcoin. Now you have to click on the spend speed coins option at the top, and once you click on it, now it will take you to the Sweetcoin shop. Here you can buy anything from your ARM's Sweetcoins. Sweetcoin gives you a lot of option to buy from them. Here you can further scroll down to the bottom and go to the option Amazon gift card. With your earned Sweetcoins, you can buy Amazon gift cards and sell it later there. Wide range of products allows you to buy anything from here. Later on, you can trade off these things with your friends or any family member. So this is how you can withdraw your Sweetcoin earnings.